Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Buddy Developers. Today, we're diving into.
Top 3 LMS plugins.
Let's jump right in. First is Fluent Community. While it's primarily a community plugin, it also includes a built-in LMS module, so you get community plus courses in one place. Key features: course builder using Gutenberg, lesson discussions, progress tracking, content drip, and multimedia embedding. If you want a site where learners engage with each other and take courses all in one place, this is a solid choice. 2 is Masterio LMS. This one is built specifically for course creation and selling. Highlight features: drag and drop course builder, quizzes and certificates, built-in order system and payment gateways, plus unlimited courses in the free version. If your main goal is building an e-learning platform rather than community plus courses, Masterio is very compelling. Third on our list is Tutor LMS, a well-established plugin used on many e-learning sites. Standout features include an advanced drag-and-drop course builder, various quiz types, drip content, live classes, and multi-instructor support. It's also strong in monetization and marketplace-style setups, so if you're building a full online school or course marketplace, this could be your go-to.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thanks for watching.